In everyday life, college students must balance personal responsibilities with academic responsibilities. Professor Sarah Robertson from the College of Charleston and mental health specialist Abigail Asper states that managing personal and academic responsibilities can lead to higher levels of stress. According to an article written by researcher Kevin Kent from Arizona State University, in 1988, an experiment was conducted on 50 college students by Dr. James Pennebaker, a professor of psychology. The experiment proved that expressive writing can lead to positive effects on college students' physical and emotional health. English major Sarah Malicia from New Hampshire University says that expressive writing is personal and emotional writing, without regard to punctuation, verbal agreement, or any other technical aspects of writing. Shortly put by researcher Kevin Kent, expressive writing is putting one's thoughts and feelings into words. According to Counselor Don Whitney from New Hampshire University, expressive writing is used for personal growth to process thoughts, feelings, and life events. There are many educational benefits of expressive writing. An educational benefit of expressive writing is decreased test anxiety. The Learning Center of the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill says that test anxiety is a combination of physical symptoms and emotional reactions that interfere with a student's ability to perform well on tests. According to an article written by freelance writer William Holmes, an experiment was conducted on 20 college students from the University of Chicago by Professor Cyan Bylock. The students were given 2 short math tests. On the first math test, the students were simply told to do their best. But on the second math test, the students were told that they would receive money according to their performance and that other students were depending on their performance as part of a team effort. On the second test, the experimental group was given 10 minutes to write expressively about their thoughts, feelings, or emotions about the test, while the control group was told to sit quietly. Professor Bylock's hypothesis was that if worries led to poor performance and writing helps regulate those worries, then giving students the opportunity to express their thoughts and feelings would enhance test performance. The result was that the expressive writing group performed better than the control group. The control group choked under pressure, showing a 12% accuracy decrease from pre-test to post-test, whereas the students who expressed their thoughts before the high-pressure test showed a significant 5% math accuracy improvement. According to the article, Professor Cyan Bylock explained that the writing exercise allows students to unload their anxieties before taking the test and accordingly freed up brain power needed to complete the test successfully. Brain power that is normally occupied by worries about the test. Another educational benefit of expressive writing is higher GPA averages. According to an article published by Cognitive Research, Principles and Implications, students were asked to write expressively for long durations of time. The students wrote for days, weeks, and months. The experiment proved that expressive writing over long periods of time can increase a college student's GPA the following semester because expressive writing helps students better unpack and understand stressful experiences. A personal benefit of expressive writing is lower levels of depression. Behavioral researcher Ross O'Hara says that expressive writing reduces pondering on negative experiences, which can lower the risk of depression. In relation to school, a student who engages in expressive writing is least disturbed by intrusive thoughts and have a clear mind, which means that student can perform better in the classroom. Although expressive writing have many educational and personal benefits, it's not for everyone. According to researcher Kevin Kent, expressive writing can leave a negative effect on individuals who suffer from PTSD. Recalling traumatic events can be mentally disturbing and can lead that individual to having more doctor visits. Since expressive writing is a stress-relieving technique, The result of college students engaging in expressive writing is positive effects on physical and emotional health, according to past experiments conducted. Those positive effects on physical and emotional health can lead to college students having decreased test anxiety, higher GPAs, and lower levels of depression.